Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. A massive welcome to the many new subscribers. I'm looking forward to seeing lots of you tonight on the webinar. Let's take a look today at OJ Futures, that is frozen orange juice concentrate. And we totally took out my target. I've been talking about this one for a couple days now, 367.88. We blasted through that. So let's update the target to our next point of support, 348.65. Now let's talk about today. This was a limit down move. In other words, we went down as far as we possibly could go down. If you've taken some of my classes, you might be aware of why you would have liked to get short around here at 465. If you had done that and ridden this all the way down, now just to be clear, I was not trading this. I'm focused on some other things right now, but that is a massive move. Each one of these points in OJ is $150. So from up here at 465 to where we ended today at 354, that is $16,650. That is a mega move. So we get to see what will happen next. If you haven't yet registered for the free class tonight, that is the secret to achieving peak performance as a trader. My big secret that some of you saw earlier today is that I actually find a lot of trading psychology information rather boring, even though it is a fascinating topic. The reason is that a lot of it is theory as opposed to practical application. So in tonight's class, I'm going to give you a few hacks that you can use immediately in your next trading session. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.